Look, let's get real. It feels like the world is designed to keep you stuck. You're carrying the weight of these invisible borders, geography, culture, language, and they don't just separate places. They separate people who desperately need to be connected. You're trying to build something massive, change the game, move fast, but every time you hit a wall, it's like the system is laughing at you, reminding you you're bound by where you live, by where you're from. That isolation, it's real, it's frustrating, it's maddening. Because how much longer can progress happen if the right people can't tap into the right networks just because of lines drawn on maps? It's a hole that drags down potential and suffocates ideas before they even breathe. But here's the brutal truth nobody wants to say. Unity tied to geography? It's a trap. It's a slow death for anyone trying to move beyond comfort zones and inherited identities. You might think you need to share a city, a country, a continent to build real trust and real power. That's just not true anymore. In today's world, proximity is no longer a currency. What matters is connection on a whole different level. Values, drive, vision. The people who really change things don't ask where you're from. They want to know what you're about, what you're willing to fight for, and how fast you can move together. So stop waiting for the right place to show up. Stop apologizing for not fitting some narrow, outdated formula of unity. The way forward right now is smashing those walls down in your head first, because geography exists to divide, not to unite. You want true unity? Want true? Build it around relentless clarity of mission, around mutual respect for individual grit, around a network that moves faster than borders, faster than governments, faster than outdated systems that reward mediocrity and bureaucracy. Here's what you do. Start by cutting loose from every assumption that says you need to be physically close to matter. Reach out relentlessly. Use every tool at your disposal: tech, shared projects, synchronous problem solving across time zones. Make your partnerships about shared ambition, not shared zip code. Treat trust like it's earned through relentless, transparent performance, not through handshakes or dinners. Be demanding about that. If someone isn't moving with you, drop them. Your time kills you, so be ruthless. Next, build micro-communities across the globe that don't rely on geography, but on killer synergy. People who complement each other's strengths and who are obsessed with getting real results. Forget mass networks filled with noise. You want tight circles where every connection counts, where people push each other hard, challenge each other patiently, and deliver every time. And here's a move most miss. Don't just think globally, think strategically global. Pick where your ideas and capital flow based on where they can explode, not where you or your team happen to live. Move capital, attention, and effort towards impact, not comfort. That means embracing discomfort, chaos, the unknown, because that's where breakthroughs happen. Geography is a convenience, not a rule. Finally, own your individual role fiercely. Unity without individuality is diluted noise. Bring everything you are to the table, your history, your culture, your ideas, and get ready to challenge everyone's. That friction is where real progress is born. Shared geography tries to flatten all that into sameness. Don't let it. Use your differences as fuel. The truth is, if this frustrates you, and it should, you're on the right path. Don't let where you're from decide where you can go. Real unity happens when you forget borders mean anything and start building with the few who match your fire, wherever they are. The world you want doesn't ask for passports. It demands more from your thinking, your courage, your connection. Stop running the old playbook. Start rewriting the rules with the few who get it and move as one, no matter the distance. This is how power grows. This is how change breaks loose. Don't settle for less. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.